If you're looking for bike, car and truck racks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Top 10 Bike, Car and Truck Racks. Number 1, Most Popular, by Swagman Bicycle Carriers. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Thule. Number 3, by OxGord. For more details about this great bike, car and truck racks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Steadyrack. Number 5, by Allen Sports. Find these bike, car and truck racks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Thule. Number 7. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Yakima. Number 9, by Allen Sports. Discover more bike, car and truck racks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Thule.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.